Welcome to our channel, Adobe Creative Cloud Problems. Follow these comprehensive solutions to fix errors and sign in issues. Step 1. Check Adobe server status online. Visit statusadobe.com to identify any service outages affecting Creative Cloud. Step 2. Update Creative Cloud desktop app. Open the app and check for updates in the top menu. Step 3. Sign out and sign back in. Click profile icon, sign out, restart app, then sign in again. Step 4. Clear Creative Cloud cache. Close all Adobe apps, then delete UBI and AM Updater folders. Step 5. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Ensure Adobe apps and services aren't blocked by security software. Step 6. Reset Creative Cloud preferences. Hold Ctrl+Alt+Shift, Windows, or CMD+Shift, Mac, while opening app. Step 7. Run Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. Download from Adobe website to remove corrupted installation files. Step 8. Reinstall Creative Cloud completely. Uninstall all Adobe apps, run Cleaner tool, then fresh install. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.